What's up, guys? Jay here. Finally got the right intake in now. That's what was wrong there. Install this. Got a new coupler, should fit better. There you have it, guys. Intake install all 100% done now. I had to source some parts myself, like these hoses that would fit the factory, whatever this disconnector, quick disconnect is called. And then had to source a quarter amputee to I believe it was a 3/8 that I got barb. So yeah, intake's completely done. When I had this plugged in with just amputee plugs, it was having some sort of vacuum issues or something. Truck wasn't running like all that great. I need to also wash my engine bay, as you can see. Been 4 years, haven't done anything like that, so pretty dirty. Gonna do a quick sound clip for you guys so you guys can see what the intake sounds. Never did it before, so but hey, let's see what it sounds like.